What's up guys? We're out here at the airport in Berlin right now on our way to catch the flight to NYC, and it's actually my first time in New York and I'm super excited. We have some very nice surprises, so follow our journey. So check this out, it's almost 12, everybody's boarding already, so we should also get going. Flight time. Great healthy food here in Iceland. Always a pleasure. It's a fresh juice with apple, avocados, organic lemon and some passion fruit because we are very passionate. We just touched down here in beautiful New York and it was a very exhausting flight, but what I really love is the time freedom and the location freedom that we have because of our digital business. So we were actually working the last couple of hours on the plane, got a lot of stuff done and we're well prepared for the next couple of days. Just got to the hotel, Doubletree Hilton. It's very beautiful already and I'm super excited for my first trip to NYC. We can stay here for a little bit. Hey, what's up guys? It's our first day out here in New York. We just went to Whole Foods, one of the best stores I know. Just got some very healthy stuff. Also, I got some Sun Warrior protein. I heard it's the best out there. Thank you, Jonathan, for the recommendation. And yeah, just got a fresh haircut. We're about to meet Rob in downtown. Maybe make a nice few shots. Also do some footage. And yeah, it's a very beautiful day. The weather is super nice. And I'm excited for my first real day out here in New York. Plaza on top of the rock overlooking the entire city. Hey, what's up guys? We're out here at the Rockefeller Plaza. And it's just crazy because in Germany we have this saying, you're rich like a Rockefeller. Everybody is like, hey, being rich is not even that cool. It's even called stinking rich. But to be honest, for me, I don't feel like being rich does stink. Maybe it's because it's my name, but also I think the more wealth you accumulate in your life, the more you can do. Most people say money is the root of all evil, which is not true. Because money just empowers your character and your personality. And if you're a bad person, you will do a lot of bad things. If you're a good person, you will do a lot of good things. So keep this in mind next time when you think about this, because maybe your mind is what keeps you from becoming rich. If I could decide between wealth or wisdom, I would always go with wisdom, because wisdom is the greatest wealth and rich is the one who obtains it. And even on the Rockefeller Center, you see wisdom and knowledge shall be the stability of their times. And if you think about it, the Rockefellers are really, really powerful family with a huge dynasty. And no matter what you think about them, because nobody really knows what they do and what they don't do, we all have positive sides and negative sides. We all do positive things and negative things. No single thing or word or whatever you do is just black or white. Everything goes in layers, like the yin and yang signs. So realize that, and realize that you never have all the wisdom that you want if you think you already know something. The real master is the one who never stops learning. Very great day, very exhausting day. We did some great footage. We didn't get to do all our meetings, but we had a great team call with the squad out there in Germany, Austria, Switzerland. Some nice calls with my boy Miki from Iceland. We're game planning, masterminding, getting ready to launch like this escalator right now.